I salute you all once more. This is Amit Trading Investment. I want to give you the analysis of gold as from tomorrow, 19th August 2024, for the coming week, and see what will happen. Then, sorry for that interruption. So I want to be very short. To make this video less than 5 minutes if possible. So the market has been going up as analyzed the last video. If you have not watched my last video, you can look at my site. You just go the last posted video and you see how I did my analysis and the market will have analyzed. Now the market has made a all-time high and it is at the peak there. And if you look at what is happening in H4 time frame, you can be able to see we had a move here. This was a move. If you go to our time frame, because we trade the market maker method, you'll be able to understand that this was a full H4 cycle. It is complete. It has all the levels that are required to be there in H1 time frame. And now the market is making the second level. And this is where we are going to see, we are going to look at what is happening from there. Now, if you look at this particular area here, this was the complete level. But now when you come to this one now, we need to go down to a lower time frame to see what has been happening. And maybe we'll be able to understand it better. So let us go down to H1 and see what we have here. We call it what we have done here. This is 1, 2, and then 3. This is 1 up to here. This is 2, that is 3. Then retracement. We have 1. We have 2. Then we have 3. So this one now is also complete. From here up to there, it's now complete. And let me try to. These are 3 levels. If we can, I can mark them as this impulse here. There was another impulse here with the consolidation. Then let me see what happens here. Okay. Then you have the last impulse like that. Then you go to lower time frame. You look at the last part, if it is complete. Look at this one now from here. Okay. I can take this one. Up to there. Then we have this one here. Up to there. This one here. Up to there. Like that. So it is complete. So what I'm expecting, as I had analyzed earlier, you can see now we're expecting the market to do a retracement before it continue going up. If you look at the retracement, there are 2 areas that I have marked. There is this particular candle here. And if I can insert moving average, that is to EMA 200 and EMA 50, maybe it can guide us. And you see what we have here. You go to trade, then I want to have EMA 200. This is EMA 13, 200, then color blue. Okay, then exponential close. Okay, then we can have EMA 50. EMA 50, just 50, then we change the color, exponential close, like that. So we have this particular candle here where the market is currently is, but I believe this candle and this moving average will rise, and this one will also rise. So this is the area to note. This is the area to note. This over here, I'll be looking for the reaction from this particular area. But if this one is not obeyed, then I go to the next method of trading, whereby we will look at the last time and the last point that was broken is this one. So look at this area still. Let us see whether there is some point of interest. We have this particular candle here in 15 minutes. So if you go to 1 hour, that was the break of market structure here. So these are the two, this is the area. This is the first point. I'll be looking for an entry here. Within that area, the first point I'll looking for an entry. This will be the second point. I'll be looking for an entry. If that one is broken, then I'll come to and look for an entry from this particular area here. But if you go to H4 now, you see what is happening. And H4, we have one, what is H4? Let me minimize it. We have one move, which is meant the second move. In this particular move, this second move, you can see we need one H4 move, one H1 move for the market to be complete. We need, this is H1, one level, another level, and another level. Let me go to each one to confirm the same. You need to be very careful when you're looking at this movie. Yeah, this is H1, another H1, another H1. So we need this market pre-trace. These are very H1. So most likely, because the market has also completed 3 H1 levels, it can have a deep retracement. So you also need to be careful. Apart from these 2 points that I'm expecting the market to react now, according to H1 now, which is a higher time frame compared to 15, this market is likely to come to this particular area. Number one, why? I'll be looking for Fibonacci retracement, which will be 71. Any Fibonacci level, we have this one, which is 50. We also have this one, which is 61. Number two, if I can also include what we call PSR, let me insert the period separator. If you have been following my video, you'll be able to understand what I mean by this. If I include PSR, and then we trade using PSR, you understand that this is the PSR here. So the PSR, the market broke this. No, sorry. That is not, I mean to go to H4. So the PSR is this particular area here last week. This particular area here, this is why you have the PSR. The PSR was retested by 15-minute candle, and then it moved up. Most likely, this market can decide to come back and did a retest of PSR as it retest, because it have completed the H1 levels. It can also come to where we have MA50, this particular area here. So this is also an area of interest. The market can have a deep retracement up to this area. But the good thing is that we have marked all the area of interest, starting from the highest one here. So once the market get to this particular candle here, I'm going to see the behavior. Then the next level is this one. We shall only enter the market if you see rebounds or loss of momentum. But for now, we can have a certain pattern to confirm what we'll be looking for. We'll be looking for a pattern like this one here. This is a pattern that I'll be expecting. So either the market can decide to have what we call half Batman. The market will just come and then consolidate in this level here. Can consolidate at that particular area. That is one. Number two, the market can just drop during the Asian session. After Asian, the market can come back. Maybe you can even make a higher high and then drop during the NY session up to this particular area. And then maybe on Tuesday, we can have a second leg here. Even if it is not Tuesday, but this is the pattern maybe that you'll be expecting as you go to the last H4 level. So this market, if it does that, I'm expecting the market to go as high as 1557, 1560. Thank you very much, and God bless you. I'm going to keep you informed in my group. Just want to join my Telegram group. I'm going to leave the Telegram link here. I have very few people, that is 16. I don't, it's certainly not a must that I retain you in my group, because I need serious traders Thank you very much and have a nice time. God bless you very much. And in case of anything, I'll update you.